So, if you want to take care of your smoke detectors, but you still want a carbon monoxide detector you want to replace it, here's the solution. Buy one and it does smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So you want to see the wall plate, take off the unit. So, put the unit up here and this is the wall plate. So let's just try to pretend so we should protect people from carbon monoxide. Here, let me show you what I mean. So, let's get the detector. It has a front loading battery. Fire! Fire! Warning! Carbon monoxide. This is a carbon battery operated carbon monoxide detector. And there, it has a attachment. Okay, so you want to take this one and hang it out in your bedroom to be safe from carbon monoxide. So, this has a wall plate. If the battery's not in this unit, see the little rectangle right there? It will not put the wall plate on. We're going to keep it separate and put batteries in. So let me do it. Okay. Let me install this carbon monoxide alarm. Hold on for a second. I'll get the screwdriver and stuff. Okay. So this is a wall plate. I can put it on. The wall plate here. This is the unit. So, when you sleep and it has a silent killer, you want to be able to have carbon monoxide detectors go out to be safe. So, when you're sleeping, you'll be able to hear carbon monoxide detector when it goes off. So, let's be okay. I test my smoke detectors every month. Get your parents help you test it. Eee! 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 I test my every month.